So this is your error. Okay, watch this video till the end to solve this. So firstly what we are gonna do is just try to solve this with some apps called APK Editor and SDK Reader. All you have to do is go to Play Store and search for the following apps. Once you download SDK Reader, just open it and just note down the API level number which is written under the Android version. Now what your job is to go to any browser and search for the APK which you want to download, and download it from any other website, but be sure that the website is genuine and don't contain any virus. So now just go ahead and download the second app which we are going to use in this video, called as APK Editor. Okay, so now just make sure you have downloaded all the three necessary things which you need to do. Then open APK Editor and just click on the first option called as select an APK file. Now go to the download folder where you have downloaded the original APK of the game and click the third option called as common edit. Now scroll all the way down and you will find two options called as minimum SDK version and target SDK version. Now all you have to do is just change both the value to the number which I said you to note down before, that is 19. Now click save and open Play Store and search for the APK which you need to download, and boom, you can install this APK without any error, without any issue. So now for some devices this method may doesn't work. So now let's try to do and solve this error with another method. So now in this second method we are going to use a very special app called as Device Faker. What it does is it just changes the model number and the version of the Android, which makes the Play Store to think that this mobile is of a good version. Now go ahead and give it a shot. Just open the Device Faker and you will see a lot of confusing settings, but that doesn't actually matter. Just click on the second option from the top and select whichever model number you want to. Just like I selected Nexus 7, which is Android, and just if the settings are not like this, you can change it into this settings as shown on the screen. Just hit apply and go back and it will say that info has been changed, but don't worry, once you fix this error and download the app, this would be automatically changed into the previous versions. So now see, as you can see, it can be installed and this method is 100% working. So you can click install and install this application without any error like app not compatible with your device. Okay, so if this video helps you, do give a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome videos and watch some funny vines and vlogs on my channel. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.